Welcome back to the ElectroProfessor. In this video, we will be diving into the world of audio systems, focusing on the topic of audio level metering and decibel levels in acoustic measurement. I'm your host, and in this segment, we'll explore the basic concepts of audio level metering and how it relates to decibels. So let's get started. Audio level metering is an essential aspect of audio engineering and sound measurement. It allows us to quantify the level or intensity of an audio signal, which is crucial for monitoring and maintaining optimal audio quality in various applications, such as recording studios, live sound setups, and broadcast environments. There are several types of audio level meters commonly used in the industry, including peak meters, VU, volume unit meters, and dBFS, decibels relative to full-scale meters. These meters provide visual representations of the audio signal's level, which can help us assess the loudness, dynamics, and clarity of the audio. The decibel, dB, is the unit used to measure the level of an audio signal. It is a logarithmic scale that expresses the ratio between two values. In the context of audio, the dB scale is used to measure the relative level of an audio signal compared to a reference level, which is usually the maximum level or the full scale of the audio system. For example, 0 dB represents the reference level or the maximum level of the audio system, and any positive or negative dB value indicates the level above or below the reference level, respectively. A positive dB value indicates an increase in level, while a negative dB value indicates a decrease in level. Commonly used decibel levels in audio measurement include -20 dB, -10 dB, -6 dB, 0 dB, +6 dB, +10 dB, and +20 dB, among others. These values represent different levels of loudness, with 0 dB being the maximum level or the full scale, and negative dB values representing lower levels below the reference level. Visual aid showing examples of audio level meter readings and their corresponding decibel values. Audio level meters provide real-time readings of the audio signal's level, which can help us monitor and adjust the audio levels during recording, mixing, or playback to ensure optimal audio quality. It's important to understand the relationship between audio level meter readings and decibel values to accurately assess the audio signal's level and dynamics. That's it for our discussion on audio level metering and decibel levels in acoustic measurement. I hope you found this information useful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, The ElectroProfessor, for more educational content on audio systems and engineering. Thanks for watching.